Guys, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. No? Muli tayo nagbabalik sa ating fishing adventure. Ano ngayon? Biyernes ng umaga. Ito. At siyempre kasama natin si Mr. Bambam. Si Master Bambam. Andun siya. Oh. Busy. Yan. Busy si Master. Yan oh. Nakahuli ng barakuda. Ang problema nakawala kasi napatid. Yun ang latest niya ngayon. So far wala pa tayong huli, no? Yun ang masaklap sa ating fishing adventure, guys. Nakailang attempt na tayo, wala pa rin. Ano na to, pang-apat na pagpipishing natin dito sa sa Comra. Sa aming spot na nahuhulihan ng mga GT. Ngayon wala. Nga tayo, guys, nga. Mataas naman ang tubig. Pero so far wala kami pang huli na isang maliit na tawag yan. Yung may nunal sa gilid. So nagsimula tayo, guys, alas 5 na umaga, wala talaga. Mataas, pagdating namin mababa ang tubig, tapos ito pataas na. Baka sakaling si Master.
Zero today.
No, we'll see.
No cat. I don't know why. This fish is still dieting.
No, because you give to barracuda your fish.
This is great. Because that beer, see that line, yeah. I pull. I saw a small fish I catch, yeah.
Yeah.
I pull a fish like this. Then from back they attack. Then I hit. I saw barracuda around in there, yeah. Then I pull little bit like this. He came, he take. Direct with the content.
Run, huh? Very unlucky today, guys. Si Master Bahadur. They lost the barracuda almost 1 kilo. Master, say hi to your fans, Master.
Hi. Now we have planned together. If you didn't catch like 50 kg, we will not move from here.
Oh my God.
Really.
Muskila, Master. We will be here 1 week, 1 year.
No problem. We will not hold it. The company bring here. They did work.
Yun nga ang mga master, wala pa tayong huli. At kung ano na nilalagyan namin pamain, sardines, squid, hipon, everything we put, we change hook, put big, small, same. But our friend here, it's our Himalayan.com, they cut I think 2 or 3 fish like this sea bream. Okay, so yun ang ating update muna sa ating fishing adventure dito sa Comra.
I like the dress.
Be good.
See, we can't speak. Big. Foot is still there, yeah. Because he's shallow.
1. Butiti.
مدير
هذا مدير، هذا هرمة. ang ating mga tropang mga Nepal. Oh. Ito yung mga fishing rod nila. Oh. Oh. Talagang ano. Ah, zero wala. Zero. Ito yung ating kaibigan guys na nagpag-isa pa. Si Mr. Subas Rai ng Himalayan.com. Ah boss, what happened? Not true? No, you not throw this one. I prefer also there, but when I saw you, your take out, so I never attempt again. Salty. Wala, boss. Kayo. Nakahuli ako ng ano, kasi laki ng pamain. Wala pa rin? Walang hangin. So guys, oh, taas na tubig. With our friend. See?
Good.
Okay, good. No air, huh? No wind. Not windy today. See, ito guys, nakahuli sila ng ano, sa Red Sea Bream. Yes, sakyan nila. Oh. Yan. Ito. Alam silang huli. Yan. O, dalawa. Dalawa na malaki. Yan. Oh. Laki oh. Laki na yan guys. Halos ano eh, malaki pa sa palad. 2 piraso. Sarap to. Sarap sa bawan to guys. I-comment nyo nga guys kung anong tawag dito sa isda na ito. Talaga na ano, hindi ko ano to eh. Kahuli ako dati nito ng malaki, pero hindi ko alam kung ano talaga eksaktong tawag sa kanya. Ayan o. Basta sea bream ang alam ko dito. Yellow pin yung ano, yung pin niya sa likod. Tapos may itim. 2 piraso. Ayan o. Oh. Sarap yan. Sabaw. So yun ang ating update no, sa ating fishing. Wala pa rin. But no more now, even small mob, yeah, in the side.
Yeah, no, gas and
Where'd you
no,
put? Ishada, Simsim may cuts like this size.
Guys.
No.
Try.
Pae niya oh. Ano yan? For tribali, big tribali. You put also like this? You put also like this?
Ayun.
Because I don't know how to do that. So, then we'll stay there, huh?
Ada kois, ada तात लाजिम एटलिस्ट.
Love English, huh?
एटलिस्ट. अब एटलिस्ट हावा किता जब.
Before I make it through there. Yalla.
Gua uta.
Parking side na.
So yung pae niya oh. Laki. Good for giant tribali. So yun ang ating update no. Wala tayong ano sa ating adventure ngayon, parang zero tayo guys, masisiro. Mag-try din tayo mamaya ano, magpalaglag ng ano ng ating paanod. Pag tingnan ko, inobserbahan ko pa yung kanila pagka naanod ng hangin, gagaya tayo maya maya. Para kasi ano guys tumigil yung hangin, hindi gumagalaw. So yun ating update. Ito yung sa akin yan. Yan. Karidi yan. Yung aking layag o bangka. Yan. Guys, wala pa rin mga tayong huli mga master. Ito, inaantok na tayo. Ang oras na natin 10:16.
Okay.
10:16 na umaga.
Pwede.
Umulan pa guys. So ayan ang rain. Raining now. Umuulan. Ayan. Tago kami kasi umuulan. Umuulan na naman sa gitna ng dagat.
Yeah, see, I remember that.
Guys, so basa na yung sayo ko. Umulan.
All clothes, yeah.
Muskila. It's raining but mapi fish. Muskila ba yun? But our friend there is still. She is still hermit fishing. Muskila kabir master.
That Wali and that guy left, yeah?
I don't know. They left. No, it's still there.
Still there.
Yeah, the red car is hiding there inside the car because rain. We need fish, not rain.
Yeah. Also drop fish from up one time, you know, yeah?
Update muna tayo guys sa ating fishing hour. Ang time check tayo, ano na, 10:30 na ng umaga. Ang ating huli ay so far isang maliit na isda. Yun ang ating update guys. Kaya hindi tayo nakakapag-upload ng video kasi wala nang mahuli pag fishing ngayon. Ewan ko bakit ganun ngayon, walang mahuli. I-update natin si Master. Master, still can carry o kalas, need to surrender. Need to surrender for 50 kg.
50 kg need to surrender, really. Really, not good. We have to jump under the water and we have to talk to them what they want. Or if they don't like, let us tell us, you know, so we can go. We need to stay in the sunlight. Crazy. No any reply from there. And we are waiting for reply.
So yun guys, ang update kay Master Bahadur. He want to talk to the fish.
Fish, yeah.
He want to talk to the fish. Fish fillet.
Yeah. Bite, big.
You have there? Bite? Some bite there?
Yeah, see?
Maybe this is your lucky time.
This is the one they caught our small rod with.
This one we can catch. Hmm. There is, where is that? It's over there. Huh? Can you see? Yeah, it's there. Where is this? Maybe. See guys, yan isdang malaki sa tabi. Is this with spine or what?
Yeah.
This with spine,
No, this is butterfish.
not bad spine.
No, this one.
It's not like this.
Pure butterfish. Full poison.
So, there is one butiti. Still.
Butiti.
Yan guys, ang isda sa gilid pero hindi nakakalason. Yan guys, ang isda gusto ni Master Bahadur hulihit aming ulamin yan. Yan they afraid. Finally guys, nakadali si Master Bador ng sahur. Hmm.
We catch more.
Double ah?
Yeah.
One inside, one outside.
Yeah. Want to run? See, I told you before, I want to catch two. One front, one back.
Alas, this
So they will
will,
not escape.
you have to fry now this.
No problem.
You want to catch them also ah?
Okay, 5 kg? 5? Huh? 5 kg? Maybe... Mapu. Very good. Very, really. Oh, what Mapu?
So guys, nakawin tayo ng sahur. Sahur. You have there? Sahur guys, sahur. Nakawin tayo ng sahur doon. Sa ano, kabilang dulo. Maliliit na lang. Pagtsagaan na to. Ayan o. Yan. Maliliit guys ang huli natin. Huh? No, which one? I think this fish there alive. I don't know, it's dead already. They're biting it.
Really?
Guys, sa maliliit kasi walang ano, wala nang malaki. Pa low tide na oh. Tapos tayo ng maliliit para may pang ulam prito. So yun lang huli namin guys. Tatlong maliliit. Fishing adventure ngayon at so far tatlong maliliit ang huli natin. Hindi talaga tayo nakakabawi sa ating ano, nakakailang attempt na tayo, wala talaga. Ano na to, pang 5 yata to, pang 4 na attempt. Puro maliliit yung nahuhuli natin guys. Yung iba hindi ko na ina-upload guys sa YouTube kasi nga ano talaga may time na zero, isang piraso na maliit pinamimigay na lang namin doon sa ibang lahi. Kasi zero talaga wala. Buti na lang si Master Bambam matyaga siya kahit mainit na tyaga pa rin. So yun ang ating ngayon guys, natin, pauwi na tayo at mainit na. Alas 12 na ng tanghali, kainitan. High tide actually, kaso wala talaga. So, yun muna ang ating video for today. Ano pala guys, lulutuin natin yung ating huli doon. Mamaya pag uwi ng bahay. May prito, tapos adobo tayo ng onion. Ador, adobo ah. Our ulam today, adobo. Okay? So, yun lang guys, ang ating huli ngayon so far. Okay? Guys, yung huli namin, oh. Yan. Kinain ko to, lutuin ko yan. Hindi kinain na isda, yan. Lutuin ko yan. Prito. Prito tayo, prito guys, prito. Okay? Prito natin yan. Tapos kain tayo. Okay, tulog pagkakain para mamaya balik ulit sa dagat. Let's go guys. Kain tayo guys, kain. Eat. Okay?
Eat in fury. Yeah.
Laban.
7
up. 7 down. Eat. See? This is my fish. You can catch, but maybe this guy will take.
My favorite dish here. Yeah.
That's it?
I think it's supposed to be like a good chili powder.
Yeah. What this?
No.
Yan na.
No.
Adobo.
Then spicy myself.
Eat your fish. This mine. Mine is too for you. So I have to.
Finish.
Eat. Yeah. Nadayo ka, baliwin natin.
Good. You got the poison, eh? You have to cook a sausage to this one, yeah, see? You can make even 4 pieces, 5 pieces enough for one time, you know, yeah. And go next time.
No.
Cover money pa rin, yeah? Kahit yung good, yeah.
Hindi, sa sun. Yeah.
Mm.
Eat. Tuloy. Gusto dal muskula.
No, hungry.
Today. No breakfast.
No, even beer,
No water.
If water is okay, no problem. Even water, diba?
Nothing, no anything. The remaining water there in my cup I drink, and then the one I give you.
Yeah. Luckily you have two water there.
Individuals down, and memberships there down.
On the chair, yeah?
Yeah.
Because when we are opening, everything is all down. Yeah.
Mia. Now,
Yeah. It became body good,
we
yeah?
have power.
Yeah.
So that this time I'm very alas.
Uy.
I'm very weak there. I don't know what to do. No more fish, no water. I'm planning to go to the
So,
The shop. The shop.
to drink.
Drink water like this, like this. Then I will
No,
leave you.
If you catch something, fish, we'll because there you will not feel like our body what we need here, yeah.
Yeah.
But nothing, that's why feel lazy. So then we feel hungry. Like, yeah.
Stand. Be ready, small one.
Yeah, no.
Katsu.
Ulam I'll put that. Leave it. This big two cats.
No, I put big there. Fish in the rack.
Yeah.
I will not buy fish now. Instead, I will catch like this, put there.
Yeah, this one is coming. Yeah, brace, you know, yeah. We will buy only squid to catch this fish.
That's good. Buy 10 kilo.
Yeah.
Good.
Huh? I'm going to get enough. Just stay there.
Sometimes we catch fish big,
Yeah.
sometimes we
Zero.
zero, even small one. Today, luckily we get at least 4 pieces like this.
Yeah.
Eat, sleep.
Sleep, yeah. Put it on.
Deep sleep.
Sound.
With big sound. We should make one. Lunch. Huh? Yeah. They make it good.
How about the rice?
What do you need?
Put rice little more.
No, put enough. You eat them. See, you give me too much, you crazy.
Not too much.
No, no, Carlos, this is enough, enough.
Really?
Yeah, enough. For
You
you,
take too much, yeah.
for you, for you.
Why is it not there?
You don't like now. I drink two glass of this laban.
Yeah.
I don't know, my stomach today make group, 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 group. Oh, what?
No problem since yesterday. Don't worry. Go back to this. Don't like it.
This is the problem. Why you never take cola yesterday?
No.
No.
This is